I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing, I'll call it intermediate advanced because of a step that it has. We're going to be doing a technique exercise today that involves over the tops, or some people call them over the logs. I recently posted a slow motion video with like extra tips for over the tops on my social media and on YouTube as well. And people were like, oh my goodness, I love that step. And then I realized I've never used it in a technique exercise. And I was like, I should probably do that. So I made up a little technique exercise for this today. You are supposed to do it on both sides, but I am still nursing an injury on my left leg. So I can't do the over the top on the left, but you should do it on both sides. This is my disclaimer. We are going to do it on one side only today for this video, but please do it on both sides. In fact, I think I have a solution to get you to do it on both sides in this video without me having to do it. And no, it does not involve editing. So I'm not just gonna edit myself backwards. So we're gonna go ahead and learn this. I'm just gonna wake up my computer for a second. There we go. So let's learn the combination, and then when we run it, I'll kind of explain how I'm gonna get us to do it on the other side. So, because I need the over the top to be using the right leg, we're actually gonna be doing the left side right from the beginning, just because that's how the left one has the right over the top. You'll see, trust me. So it starts with Maxie Fords, step, shuffle, jump, toe. Now you have ball change. So on that ball change, you're going step, jump and prep, over the top. Now, if you've never done an over the top before, please make sure you see my tutorial on over the tops. You don't want to do my over the top tutorial? I can give you plenty of other channels that have over the top tutorials. Make sure that you know how to do that step before you just try doing it in a combination. It's one of those steps that can be a little tricky when it comes to safety. So you want to make sure you're doing it correctly. I have tips on how to do over the tops in a short. I also have an entire video on how to do over the tops, so make sure that you guys check that out before attempting this. Okay, that was my other disclaimer. So now let's get back to it. You add step, shuffle, tempo, step, step and cross, jump over it. Pick up your feet, pick up that jumping leg. That's really what's gonna get you over the top, is picking up the jumping leg. So, step, shuffle, jump, toe, step, cross over the top. You do it twice. So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shuffle, jump, toe, step, cross, over. Step, shuffle, jump, toe, step, cross, over. Now, it's going to be a little faster than that because I'm not landing right on the right count because it's a little slow. So let's go a little faster. Step, shuffle, jump, toe, ball, change over the top. Step, shuffle, jump, toe, ball, change over the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 6, and 7, 8. Good. So you really want to make sure that you are giving it a good plie. Plie is a verb, so give it a good amount of plie. Get over that leg. All right. Next part of this, you have 2 waltz clogs and a ball change. So that's step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change, ball change. So you still want to have that first foot free. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then you finish it off with 1 of the same thing we did in the beginning, Maxie Ford ball change over the top. So the sequence goes, Maxie Ford, ball change over the top. Maxie Ford, ball change over the top. Waltz clog, ball change. Maxie Ford, ball change over the top. Shall we try it? All right, let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the combination. What else can you add to it to make it harder, you ask? Some of you are like, no, I did not ask that. Why would you say that? I'm just hearing my own students like in my head. You can add a grab off to the Maxie Fords and the waltz clogs. If you want to add some difficulty, you can go, oh, left foot. to do the pickups / grab-offs with my hurt leg. We're gonna ignore that. But that is an option. I got most of them. That last one was a scrape. But I'm not gonna edit it out because A, it's important that you know your teachers make mistakes too. And B, I'm really tired and I don't wanna do that again. So, this is my sixth tutorial I'm filming today. And my leg hurts, so I don't want to do that again. But you can add grab-offs if you want to. I'm not going to for the purpose of saving my injured leg, but also for the purpose of filming. It's just an option, not what's written. So, are we ready to try it with music? All right, let's do it. Perfect. If you wanted to bring this to your classes and you want to use this song information is down below. All right, let's do it again. This time you guys are going to switch sides and I'm going to do it facing you so that it looks like I'm using that leg, but I'm using the other leg. So we're going to switch sides. You're going to start with the right foot. So you're going to go step, shuffle, jump, toe, and then step, jump, cross, over the top. Same thing, and then you'll start the waltz clogs on the right. And then Maxie Ford one more time. All right, so let's do it. I'm gonna face you this time, so you have to stare at my face, I guess. But that way, you still get both sides in the video, and I don't injure myself further. Yes, I did this. Get that tempo in. 1 and a 2 and 3, 4, 5 and a 6 and 7, 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Over-the-tops. So this exercise made me really, really happy, but I feel very uneven in my legs, but hopefully you guys feel better and you've tried it on that leg. So yeah, I had a blast teaching this to you today. I hope you had so much fun learning it. I know it was short and sweet, but I literally can't do any more than that. So if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We have technique exercises like this, most of them on 2 legs. And we have choreography tutorials where you can learn a dance to a popular or timeless song. We have vlogs and challenges and step tutorials like I mentioned. Lots of TAP content. It's all free TAP class and it's all for you right here on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the thumbs up button because that tells YouTube that people like TAP dance, and that is such a win. That is such a win overall. So subscribe, thumbs up, be safe, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.